This is set 55, Algebra I, complex fractions. A complex fraction is when you have more than one fraction sign in a term. This has two fraction signs. The longer one is sort of separates the numerator from the denominator. Anyway, we want to get rid of the fraction sign. So, one of them, I write c as c over 1. All right, now the bottom fraction is c over 1, and the trick is to just invert it and multiply it times the top. So c over 1 flipped over is 1 over c. Okay, and then you just multiply the top times the top and the bottom times the bottom. When you multiply two different letters, you just stick them together. So that's simplified. Notice there's only one fraction sign. The next one is 1 over c over 1 over b, and you can see this is the main one. It's a little bit longer. It separates the numerator from the denominator. So 1 over b is the denominator, so we just rewrite the top, and we take the bottom and invert it, flip it over, b over 1. And then whenever you multiply the top times the top and the bottom times the bottom. This third example is a little different because the top isn't a fraction. But here's the separator of the numerator and the denominator. Here's the bottom. So the top is a, and then I multiply it by the bottom flipped over. Now, I multiply, I can just go AC and get my answer. Or if you're a little bit a, you can write as a over 1, because you can write any number over 1, it doesn't change the value, equals AC over 1. But you don't have to write the over 1. You can always simplify. Add, subtract, multiply, divide, but don't forget to simplify. Okay, the last example is a plus x. Okay, when there's more than one term in a numerator or denominator, I like to put it in parentheses, whether it's addition or subtraction. Once again, here's my bottom, my denominator. So I rewrite the top, a over x, and I take the bottom and I invert it. So it's a plus x over b. So I multiply the top times the top and the bottom times the bottom. So I get a squared, because a times a is a squared. And then a times x is plus ax. And all over the bottom, which is xb. But I like to write them in alphabetical order, bx. Okay, it's just one of my obsessive compulsive disorders. All right, and that's it. Only one fraction sign. Beautiful. Bye.